Thank you very much, everybody who is in this hall, coming to listen to me, sharing our experience. I'm Rose Molokwane from Sheikh Dwellers International, belonging to an organization called Fed Up in South Africa. I wanted to understand from the facilitator the theme of the discussion today, and he explained to me that the theme says towards an agenda for local action for poverty reduction. What I wanted to raise is that maybe as Sheikh Dwellers International, already we have an agenda. We are not moving towards an agenda. We do have an agenda on the table. And then maybe again, what we should look at is the issues that should appear on this local agenda that needs to be practically addressed. For instance, as Sheikh Dwellers International, we already have an agenda, and the issues on the agenda that we are discussing are the land issues, housing issues, partnership with our government, brokering deals with the bilaterals and multilaterals, and making sure that we have finance in addressing our development issues. We are doing this not only by talking. Sheikh Dwellers International, at this present moment, we have organized almost 25 countries around the world, using our equity as the people from the community, using our understanding of the issues that are affecting us as the poor people from the communities, making sure that we understand that if we use our little resources that we are having, like creating saving groups in our communities, we can use that saving groups as the leverage to attract the resources from the formal world. So I'm trying to raise this issue that today I'm very much privileged to be given this platform to talk to the government, to the politicians, local government, and the United Nations, to tell you today that as the Sheikh Dwellers International, we are not just sitting and saying, come and do things for us. We are there, we are there, we have done a lot of things. For instance, I'm going to give you an example that we have created a university of learning for the poor people in India through Sheikh Dwellers International, by learning from the poor people in India, by learning from the poor women who came together and established the saving groups, starting to negotiate with their government. And to date, we have really built over 10,000 houses within 4 years. I mean, in India only. We have already made it a point that the government understands that evictions is not the solution for development. And then we have agreed with the local government of India in Maharashtra that we can be able to relocate over 30,000 families to get the better area for stay, because there were a lot of women who were staying in the pavement. And then to date, in India only, we are managing an amount of 200,000 crores. I don't know what is crore in dollars. Those who know to change the currencies will know how many millions am I referring. Those millions are being managed by the poor people who are illiterate, who can't even read, who don't even understand the policies of the government. We've got several components and programs that we are using to address our poverty reduction programs. We are using the tool of information gathering. Like, for instance, at the present moment, in India, South Africa, Uganda, Ghana, Sri Lanka, Namibia, Philippines, Thailand, Malawi, Kenya, we have done enumeration programs where we collect information. And then with this information, we have already brokered deals with different municipalities in those areas. We have created partnership with different government in those areas, where we use this information as a tool to open doors, to make our government understand that we can be homeless, we can be landless, we can be poor, but we are not hopeless. because the information that we are gathering is the tool that makes sure that we are doing development on ourselves.